Hey y'all, I just finished a ride. So this was the first long ride I had with my AirHawk seat cushion on the FJR. And I gotta say, it helped me put some extra miles on my butt. There's very little air in the little air pockets, which is the way you're supposed to do it. I'm trying to do it one-handed, you'll have to excuse me. So, you see, not much air, and but when you put your butt on it, it evens out. So yeah, it's a winner. Was it worth the premium price for it? When I go on a multi-day ride, I'm gonna have to say yes. It's not as good as a custom saddle, but it'll do in the meantime. So it's a thumbs up for sure. My hiney would be hurting today if it weren't for that. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a